The western sandpiper is a small shorebird. The body of the sandpiper is brown on the top and white underneath on the belly. Sandpipers breed on the tundra in eastern Siberia and Alaska. The sandpiper usually nests on the ground under vegetation, and both parents incubate and care for the newborns by feeding them. The main food source for the sandpiper is insects and mollusks. This bird is one of the most prosperous shorebirds in North America with a population in the millions.
The American white pelican is one of the largest North American birds. This water bird can be found off the coast of California. This bird has very broad wings, a long neck, and a massive bill that gives the head a unique shape. These pelicans typically breed on islands in wetlands inward of the continent. During winter is when they spend their time on the coast. On the California coast, these birds will use their bills to dip into the water, scooping up small fish. Diving on their prey is also a common trait of the pelican. As seen in Finding Nemo, pelicans actually never carry anything in their bills.
The green heron is a small heron of North and Central America. The green heron lives in small wetlands and low-lying areas. This bird is most active during dusk and dawn, and this bird is considered to be nocturnal. Green herons eat small fish, frogs, and aquatic arthropods. They usually stand on the shore in very shallow water and wait for prey. The green heron is a very smart and manipulative bird and will often drop food or insects in order to attract fish. The blue-footed booby is a marine bird. The blue-footed booby is one of 6 species of boobies. The most distinctive feature of the blue-footed booby is the bright blue feet, which is a sexually selected trait. The bird breeds in tropical areas and subtropical islands of the Pacific Ocean. This specific booby can be found from the Gulf of California down the western coasts of Central and South America and down to Peru. Half of the breeding pairings reside on the Galapagos Islands. The blue-footed booby is often found diving into the water in order to find fish and search for prey. These birds tend to hunt in groups but can also hunt alone.
The great blue heron is the largest of the North American herons, with long legs, a curvy neck, and thick dagger-like bill. Head, chest, and wings give a shaggy appearance. When flying, the great blue heron curls its neck into a tight S shape. Its wings are broad and rounded, and its legs trail well beyond the tail. The great blue heron lives year-round on the coast of California. This bird preys in shallow water, either walking around very slowly or standing like a statue, awaiting for a fish to swim by. The long feathers hanging off the neck acts as a washcloth. The western gull is one of the larger gulls that spend their time on the Pacific coast. This is a common gull, white with gray wings and yellow beak. Breeding on rocky islands, this gull will spend most of its time at sea. Feeding occurs right off the coast, eating fish, eggs, and any snacks left on the beach. The western gull also steals food from other gulls.